She'd be trimmed.
Sure flies nice, huh? Beautiful. I don't know why you would. It's beautiful. It could even take you down a little, Ken. I mean, really, when you think about it.
Some flaps. I need down elevator in the flap mix. Just take it up high, slow it down, and see what she does. Let's take off flaps. She slows up nice.
Sure does. Motor run is nice too, huh?
Only got that thing tweaked. Well, she slips, John.
What do you mean?
Come on, you're a cup guy. Slip it. Get the nose down, full right rudder.
Oh, look at that.
She slips just nice.
You can do this, Ken. You can do this. You just gotta lean in on the left a little bit, that's all. I did it. You can do it.
Not this point.
You got this, Ken. You got it. You got it. Come on, Ken.
That's Junior. I blame Junior on that.
Come on, Ken. You always do one wheel. Now that is what we're talking about right there. Woo! Come on, Ken. Take a bow, man. Take a bow. That's what we're talking about. Perfect.